Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Rosemont, local and long-distance movers near me. Our moving team will ensure you get the options you need, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. If you're ready to relocate one state over or several states away, we can help. Our team of movers will help you get there faster and sooner. We know how to make a long-distance move less stressful by offering all the right services from trustworthy, well-trained professionals. An Illinois moving company can make a local move simple. With the right team, you don't have to do all the hard work. Moving is stressful, even if it's a very short distance. The right professional movers can move and pack up all your things for you, and 3 Movers will streamline your entire moving day process. We provide you with the best options to save you time and energy and get settled in faster with our help. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rosemont moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.